Okay, so today we're doing a quick review of this scanner bin. I just wanted to scan some documents. I just have old archived documents that I want to scan. And so it just comes, you set it up, you just unfold the box. You have two adhesive clips to put on there, and then you just slide your phone in so it fits right in. You take your document, you throw it in. They recommend you just kind of put it in that top right corner. You put your phone on top, and then using the Adobe software, or any software you use for scanning, you just take pictures and it works so fast. The thing you'll do is download the Adobe Scan app, and that's just a free app, but you have to log in with your Google account. So the Adobe Scan app is awesome because you can take a picture, it will find your things and highlight it, and you can do a document, a book, a whiteboard, ID card, business cards, all the different things, and it just kind of figures it out. I wish I'd known about this earlier. This is worth getting the scan bin just to see how awesome this app is. So really cool that it looks for things, figures out where the edges are. Check that out, that's so cool. Okay, so you start by opening up your Adobe Scan, and then you just put a document in your box, hit the record button, and it's automatically going to record. Now from here you can click keep scanning or save PDF. If I click the keep scanning, oh, I didn't flip it over. You flip it over before you hit that button. So I'm going to retake this one, but before I hit that, I'm going to flip it over, get the back side, and hit retake. So then it finds that. Now if I want to flip, so that's front and back of one page, but if I want to add another page to that, then you simply get your next document, throw it in there, and hit keep scanning. So good, so we've got that. Now if I save the PDF, look how it cleans up the lighting right away on that, and you can see the whole 3 pages, which is really cool. So now you can see all the things I've scanned here in my first session. I've been doing this less than 5 minutes. I've already scanned my first several documents. This is a really cool product that I wish I'd gotten years ago. Check it out.